Hi, I'm Jason Stahl, and today we're going to talk about ensuring a clean compressed air supply for your collision shops and paint booths for professional finishes. Unseen to the human eye, there are many tiny substrates and particles in our atmosphere that penetrate compressed air systems. These oils, dust particles, and water vapors can impact the functionality and results of professional paint finishes, causing poor results instead of the high-quality finishes that painters and the auto body industry have come to expect. Taking the necessary steps to provide ultimate clean, dry air eliminates the risk in producing a poor paint job to high-paying customers. Tsunami's Pure Series regenerative air dryers are the perfect solution for consistently clean, dry air for professional paint jobs and finishing. The dryers eliminate dirt, particulates, and humidity from the compressed air, providing exceptionally clean, dry air at the gun. Also, they provide ease of maintenance, consistent performance, and low cost of ownership. Built as a complete system, simply plug it into a power source, attach the necessary air hoses, and it's ready to use. I'm Jason Stahl. Thanks for watching.